My name is Elizabeth Holmes. I mainly practice in land use and zoning, and I also do a lot of litigation, some land use and zoning related and some other areas of the law. I am a go-getter, a hard worker. I don't back down. I fight vehemently for my clients, and I think that's what makes me successful and provides my clients with a positive experience in working with me. I got those traits from my family and mentors that have shaped who I am as an attorney, both personally and professionally. Well, my mom's response would be that I love to argue, which is true, and my now fiance would probably say the same thing. But I've always had an interest in the law. I love reading a fact pattern and coming up with creative ways to solve problems for my clients. And those creative solutions, I think, are what stand me out as a lawyer compared to a lot of other individuals that people work with. So that's probably my number one thing to do is find a creative solution to a difficult problem that solves that problem for my clients. I've had a lot of memorable cases. You wouldn't expect that zoning work would be exciting, but it is. There's a phrase we use in our practice called NIMBYs, which stands for not in my backyard, and you would be shocked at how upset people get when you're building something in their backyard. So I've had a lot of cases where a lot of neighbors have come out and spoken in opposition to developments that my clients are proposing. And I haven't been spit at, but I've been called a lot of names, and my personal space has been invaded by people who are particularly upset about what my clients are doing. So it surprised me. I'm kind of immune to it now, and it kind of rolls off my shoulders, but the zoning hearings can get quite controversial and quite exciting at times. I am a recently new mother. I have a 6-month-old little girl whom I'm loving spending time with and learning how to parent. I am a fiance, getting married in 6 weeks, freaking out a little bit about that. I am a daughter, a sister, an aunt, and I love to be outdoors. I'm a dog mom too, 2 beautiful dogs. I love to be outdoors with my dogs, my family, exploring, working out, and I like the finer things too, like the eating and the drinking, although I'm not doing as much whining and dining with my 6-month-old at home. I hope to get back to that at some point. Legal tip in my area of practice would be whether you're a residential homeowner or somebody looking to start a business that involves land use. Maybe you're considering renting out an Airbnb, a property that you own on Airbnb. My tip would be to always consult the local code that's applicable to your property, because another phrase they use in our profession is you don't want to be asking for forgiveness, you want to be asking for permission. And you'd be surprised at the restrictions and regulations that might be applicable to property you own. And you don't want to go down that road to the point of no return where you then have to hire me to get you out of the mess that you may have stepped into because you didn't look at the zoning code.